Sekarang kita akan masuk ke second part. The first part kami telah habis mengeluarkan graf daripada donor area. Dan graf ni akan dipindahkan dan masukkan di sini. Hari ini design ialah macam ini. Other day, the harvesting was started from this side here. Then all this harvested graft transplanted in the design area. This the sideburn today day 7. This the angle of mandible. This the jawline, and here is the soft look. We place the graft far apart a bit, and only single hair is planted here. There's no double, there's no triple. Some double are placed here, and patient request for the V shape here, and today it looks very nice. The gap is looking like a V shape. This is the goatee, slightly more heavy. Coming to the moustache, left phytrum, and this on the right moustache. We added some density here to give more heavy look on the moustache. We did not fill up the Y shape. We just left at the V shape here, and these two areas we did not fill up. Patient wanted the space in between the French beard here. Now, tomorrow is day 8. He can go back to work with a new look, the full beard look.